Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to use cp command and mv command. Cp command copies files and directories. For example, if I would like to copy this text file f1.txt to directory 1, so I'm going to type cp, then the name of the text file f1.txt, then the name of the directory. Now I'm going to check if I do have the text file inside this directory. Yep, I do have f1.txt. If I would like to copy a directory to another directory, so cp, then I have to add the option -r. So this is for the recursive in case if we have subdirectories inside directory 2 to directory 1. Let's check right now. I can see here, as we can see here on the screen, I have directory 2 inside directory 1. In case if I would like to copy the content of any text file, for example here we have the content here 1, 2, 3 inside the text file f1.txt. Let's check text file 2, the f2.txt. We don't have any content there, so I'm going to use the cp f1.txt, then f2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the content of text f1.txt to f2. Let's check f2 now. Perfect. Now as you can see here on the screen, we have 1, 2, 3. If I would like to copy multiple files, for example f2 and f3 to directory 1. Let's check directory 1 right now. As we can see here, we have text file, the f2.txt and f3.txt. If I would like to copy more than one directory, for example, I would like to copy directory 3 and 4 to directory 1. So I'm going to type cp, and we don't have to forget the -r, the recursive, in case if there is any subdirectories inside this directory. So then directory 3 and directory 4. So we're gonna copy these two directories 3 and 4 to directory 1. Let's check directory 1 right now. As we can see here, we have directory 3 and 4. If I would like to find more information about this command cp, we can go to the man page. We can find more details and also the options that we can use them with the cp command. Okay, let's go back. Now let's move on to the next command, the mv command. If we would like to find more information about this command, we can go to the man page. So this command, the mv command, moves or renames names of files and directories. And you can see here the options that we can use with the mv command. Let's go back and do some examples. So I would like to move f1.txt to directory box. So I'm going to type mv f1.txt to box 1, no, to box. So then I am going to hit enter. I'm going to check right now the directory box. As we can see here, we have the f1.txt. Let's double check here, and the main directory or the home directory right now, we don't have f1.txt anymore in the current directory. Now if I would like to move multiple files, for example f2, 3 and 4, same thing. So mv f2, then f3 and f4 to directory box. Okay, let's check right now. And box, as we can see here, we have text file 2, 3 and 4. Let's check right now the current directory. As we can see here, we don't have all these text files. If I would like to move a directory, so I'm going to type mv, then I'm going to move directory 1 to box. So I'm going to type directory 1, then box ls-l, then I'm going to go to this directory. As we can see here, we have directory 1. And check right now here in the current directory, we don't have directory 1 right now here in this current directory. If I would like to move more than one directory, so what I'm gonna do the same thing, mv, then for example directory 2, then directory 3, then directory 4, 2 box. So let's check right now the directory box. As we can see here, we have directory 2, 3, and 4. Let's check right now the current directory. So we don't have directory 2 and 3 and 4. If I would like to rename, for example, the text file here, so I'm going to use the same command mv and the text.txt, then text.txt, then I'm going to call this one file.txt. Let's check right now. As you can see here, so we changed the name to file.txt. If I would like to change the name of any directory, will be the same thing. For example, box, I'm going to use mv box 2, let's call this one directory. Perfect. ls-l. As we can see here, we changed the name of the directory from box to directory. That's it for this session. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.